Substance abuse continues to be an alarming issue right across the country, and here in our region, we're not immune. Just this morning, the Simcoe Muskoka District Health Unit issued an alert after receiving reports from the community about drug poisonings. Joining us now from the health unit is Mia Brown. Thanks for joining us, Mia.
Thank you for inviting me.
What prompted the health unit to release this drug alert this morning?
Yeah, our drug alert was posted today based on information we received from some of our community partners who work closely with people who are using the unregulated drugs in our communities. And the alert draws attention to the type of unusual reactions people are experiencing with this current unregulated supply.
So you mentioned that it's not fentanyl. Do we, at this point, know exactly what it is?
We actually never really know what's in the supply because we don't have drug testing options available to us. We rely on Toronto's drug testing devices and testing results that are shared out within the communities. And based on that information that we receive, we know that there's a mix of benzodiazepines and animal tranquilizers that are often in the supply that's coming out of Toronto. So we suspect that that's that's what we're seeing here in our region.
Okay, what are some of the signs? And if we do see somebody that we think is, maybe having an issue, a drug poisoning, what do we do?
It's really important that 911 is activated. People that are experiencing a potential opioid overdose can receive naloxone as well. We have naloxone available in our community. Bystanders can administer it to people that are experiencing a suspected overdose. Naloxone really doesn't work on benzodiazepines and animal tranquilizers, for instance, or cocaine. So if it's unknown what the person has consumed, it's really important that you try administering naloxone, but you also call 911 because they do need medical attention.
Now, I understand the health unit also is flagging the overuse of alcohol, especially heading into the holidays. Do you usually see a spike this time of the year?
I wouldn't say that we monitor alcohol use at this time of the year, but we do, encourage people through our social media campaigns each year to, be mindful of the alcohol they consume over the holidays. And this year's campaign is called "Let's Talk Over Drinks." And it's really just to encourage individuals to consider drinking less or not at all when they're spending time with their family and loved ones over the holiday season.
Okay, what might be an alternative that you are suggesting to people?
There's lots of ways you can have fun and spend time with your friends and loved ones where alcohol is not centered in those activities. And so indoor games or outdoor activities are some fun ways to do this. You can also look for festive mocktail recipes online that keep with the holiday flavors and colors. You can also look for low alcohol and no alcohol content beverages that are available on the market.
Okay. Look, with this amount of snow, you could put everybody to work, right, and have a shoveling party. Thanks very much for joining us, Mia. I hope you have a happy holiday.
Thank you. You too.
Thanks. I've been speaking with Mia Brown from the Simcoe Muskoka District Health Unit.